they should, how can I say, start to hibernate or slow down. They don't actually hibernate, but they slow down. Okay, they don't. The leaf stays there. It's evergreen, right? It doesn't turn yellow and gone, but it's still there. But it slows down. But with the higher temperature in the fall, they keep on growing, which is not good. And then suddenly winter came, kind of destroy the whole system. Because normally they need to, like shutting down things slowly, right? But now it's a abrupt change. Yeah. Third one, changes in the quantity and period of rainy season. So you got the rain now becoming either a drop or becoming a torrential rain. So it's either very small or very much, which is not good. And this leads to a longer period of droughts. And then this one is quite interesting. Is there, I think it's theology. They think the fog is really important. Yeah, I have to be honest with you. This part I haven't really analyzed yet how it relates. But it's just my hypothesis, my hunch, because I haven't really got into this. With the morning fog is actually it reduces the, how can I say? It delays the leaf receiving sun. So it's kind of like normally say the leaf will be out in the sun for 8 hours, but now it become like only 6 hours. So less sun means less. It become harder. It become softer. I mean not softer. I mean like less chances of becoming even harder. Anyway, so it's their own way of thinking. Okay. And all of this leads to the diminishing characteristic of high quality tea. So for them, quality does change in these past few years, but quantity stays still the same. So that's why you don't see much of the differences. So what exactly are these climate factors or climate things that happening? So around 36%, which is how many people here? 8 tea growers. Oh yeah, before I move on, I interviewed 15 right in here. So 15 might sound small, but remember, there's only 21 tea plantations. So I cover pretty much three quarters.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right? So I believe that this data is quite valid. So they say that this temperature fluctuation is really hurting them. Suddenly getting high, suddenly getting low. Then after that, they have this droughts. So the period of drought is getting longer and longer. So based on this, they change the way they, it's this kind of form of adaptation to some sort, right? So they harvest earlier right now because they think that if there is danger of frost, might as well pluck it now before frost came and destroyed everything. That's number one. And they sometimes do this deep soil treatment. It means like they really, how can I say, dig down to the soil and up until the roots, and then they kind of mix it all. But this is very it causes damages to the roots. That's why with this longer droughts, they cannot do that. So they kind of delay this process. And they are conducting the covering earlier because apparently, based on their experience, by covering it earlier, it can protect the tea leaf from frost. So they're using this traditional knowledge as a means of adaptation, right? This is quite interesting. And with this drought, again, they normally never water the tea plantation. But now they start watering it because it's just too dangerous. And what else? So yeah, so from this survey also that I found out that the tea growers have been utilizing the covering more extensively in the past years. So not only before the harvest, even in the summer, they're using it. So it's like kind of a, how can I say, developing the traditional knowledge into a more adaptation method. So it's quite interesting. It's possible because they already have this knowledge.